Welcome back to Fact Flow. Today we'll be taking you on a wild ride through the cosmos to reveal the bizarre and surprising realities of the universe. Brace yourself for mind-blowing revelations that will leave you questioning everything you know about space. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Number 10. Space smells like burnt steak. When astronauts return from spacewalks, they bring more than just memories and souvenirs. They often report a peculiar smell in their spacesuits, reminiscent of a sizzling steak or welding fumes. At first, scientists were baffled by this phenomenon, but now they have a theory. It turns out that the smell is caused by high-energy vibrations of atoms when spacecraft airlocks are opened. These vibrations create a molecular symphony, resulting in what some astronauts describe as the scent of burnt meat. While it might not be the most pleasant aroma, it's certainly a unique souvenir from a journey beyond Earth. Number 9. A giant cloud of alcohol in space. In the vast expanse of our galaxy, there's a place known as Sagittarius B2. It's here that astronomers made a rather unexpected discovery. A massive cloud of alcohol. Yes! You heard that right! Alcohol floating in space! This interstellar pub isn't serving up drinks for thirsty space travelers, though. The sheer amount of alcohol in this region is enough to make 400 trillion pints of beer. But it's also 26,000 light years away, so planning a trip there anytime soon isn't possible. Despite its distance, the presence of alcohol in space offers a fascinating glimpse into the diverse chemical composition of the cosmos. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll discover other celestial watering holes. Number 8. Neutron stars are insanely dense. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars that have exploded as supernovae. These remnants are incredibly dense, packing an enormous amount of mass into an extremely small space. Imagine squeezing the mass of our sun, which is already huge, into a city-sized sphere. That's what a neutron star is like. If you were to stand on the surface of such an object, you'd be closer to the center of a star than you've ever been before. Just 1 teaspoon of material from a neutron star would weigh about 4 billion tons on Earth. To put that into perspective, it's equivalent to nearly 400 times the weight of the Eiffel Tower. Number 7. A planet made of diamonds. Scientists have discovered a planet that is not just covered in diamonds, but is believed to be entirely made of them. The planet, known as 55 Cancri E, is located 40 light-years away and is about twice the size of Earth. According to researchers at Yale University, this rocky world is likely covered in graphite and diamond. The pressure and temperature deep within the planet cause carbon atoms to bond together, forming massive diamonds. It's estimated that 1 carat of diamond on this planet could weigh over 300 carats on Earth. While it may be difficult to get to this sparkling gem of a planet, the allure of a world made of precious stones is hard to resist. Number 6. Black holes can slow down time. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. They have a boundary known as the event horizon, which marks the point of no return. As you approach the event horizon of a black hole, time appears to slow down for an outside observer. This happens because the intense gravitational pull of the black hole distorts space. As a result, the passage of time near a black hole is much slower compared to a distant observer. This means that someone falling into a black hole would appear frozen in time for an outside observer, making it seem as if they are stuck forever at the edge of the black hole. Number 5. There's a cold spot in the universe. The universe is vast and filled with wonders. But there's one particular feature that has puzzled scientists for years: a massive cold spot. This anomaly, known as the CMB cold spot, is located in the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is a snapshot of the universe. When it was just 400,000 years old, the CMB cold spot is 1.8 billion light-years across and is strangely empty, containing fewer galaxies than expected. Its temperature is also about 70 millikelvins colder than the surrounding universe. Scientists are still working to unravel the mystery of this perplexing region. One theory suggests that it may be a void in space, an area with very little matter. However, other researchers believe it could be a sign of a new physical law or a challenge to the existing models of cosmology. Whatever the explanation, the CMB cold spot remains a captivating enigma that fuels the curiosity of astronomers worldwide. Number 4. Rogue planets drift through space alone. Not all planets are fortunate enough to have a star to orbit. In the vastness of space, there are billions of rogue planets that wander aimlessly without the warmth of a nearby sun. These solitary worlds are thought to have been ejected from their planetary systems or never even had one in the first place. Rogue planets are difficult to detect since they don't emit light, but their presence can be inferred by observing the gravitational effects they have on nearby stars. Some scientists believe that these lonely worlds could potentially harbor life. In 2020, researchers from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT) suggested that rogue planets with a thin atmosphere and an ocean of liquid water could support life. The conditions on these planets might not be suitable for the type of life we know, but who knows? Maybe alien organisms could thrive in such extreme environments. The possibility of life on rogue planets adds another layer of complexity to the search for extraterrestrial life. Number 3. Venus rotates backward. Venus is Earth's neighbor in the solar system, but it holds a peculiar secret that sets it apart. Unlike most planets in the cosmos, Venus rotates on its axis in the opposite direction. This means that the sun rises in the west and sets in the east, creating an unusual day-night cycle. What makes this phenomenon even stranger is that a day on Venus lasts longer than its year. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one rotation, while it revolves around the sun every 225 days. This means that the Venusian atmosphere experiences only 2 seasons per year, each lasting 6 months. Venus is truly a planet that defies expectations, showcasing the unpredictable nature of our cosmic neighborhood. Number 2. Space isn't completely silent. Silence is often perceived as the absence of sound. However, when it comes to space, silence takes on a different meaning. Space itself doesn't create sounds, but it's not entirely silent either. Although sound needs a medium such as air to travel, space is filled with electromagnetic vibrations. These vibrations can carry information just like sound waves. NASA has equipped some of its spacecraft with special instruments capable of picking up these faint signals. By analyzing the data collected, scientists have managed to record haunting sounds from various celestial bodies. When playing these recordings, we can hear the eerie noises of planets and stars. Listening to these otherworldly sounds provides a unique perspective on the wonders of the universe. Number 1. Most of the universe is invisible. What we see in the night sky, stars, planets, galaxies, all of it combined makes up only a tiny fraction of the entire universe. In fact, it only accounts for about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is made up of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is an elusive substance that doesn't interact with boronic matter, which is the type of matter that makes up stars, planets, and people. Despite being invisible, dark matter's presence is detected through its gravitational effects on visible matter. Similarly, dark energy is a force that is even more mysterious and has led to the accelerated expansion of the universe. We can't see dark matter or dark energy, but its influence on the cosmos is undeniable. Our current understanding of physics suggests that these invisible components play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of the universe. As scientists continue to explore the depths of space, they hope to shed more light on these enigmatic phenomena and unveil the secrets of the invisible universe. There you have it, folks. From the puzzling cold spot in the universe to the invisible forces that shape our cosmos, space never ceases to amaze us with its weird and fascinating characteristics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey, and we'll see you in the next one.